Wisdompreneurs, it's your success strategist Nick Billions here with 1% Wisdom, Coaching and Consulting. And today we have another customer client case study video to demonstrate to you. All right. Now, the purpose of this video is all of our case study videos is to show you why you need a coach and why having a coach can get you from where you are to where you desire to be in the shortest time possible. Now, no matter what business that you have, the industry, what you offer as a product or service or whatever the case may be, no matter where you're located, having a coach can help you to take those blind spots in your business and those struggles and those challenges and turn them into business systems and opportunities that you can run again and again and continue to succeed further and further along your business journey. Now, also having a coach gives you access not only to that coach's experience, which in my case, Coach Nick, you have access to over 20 plus years of small business operations, experience of me starting over 12 companies, the experience from those companies, the ups, downs, the wins, the lessons of those companies, how I sold 2 of them, and also how I made over $3.5 million in sales and acquisitions from those companies as well. But you will also get access to tailored solutions that are built just for your business. All right, you're not going to get anything that's cookie cutter, nothing from YouTube or that's out there in the world that is oversaturated, that once worked yesteryear but doesn't work quite now, but people are still trying to make money off of it. But you're going to get actionable advice and systems and strategies that work today, that are proven to work today. And we're not only just going to throw them at you, but we're also going to walk with you step by step how they work, why they work, and why to do them and perform them in the order that we do recommend for the steps to be performed in. And also, with having a coach, it's like hiring someone else on your team. It's like hiring an executive on your team with all that experience and continuous guidance of how to go from where you are to where you want to be. And having that type of experience and guidance on your team helps you to overcome new challenges and blind spots, because as you grow, you're going to have new challenges and struggles that only can exist at that specific level that you have grown to. And without those challenges to overcome and to conquer again and again and again, you won't give yourself and your business a chance to thrive and grow and to continue to be more successful in the pursuit of your overall goal, which is for you to maximize how many people that you serve in this world. And also, lastly, having a dedicated business coach will give you all the steps on how to overcome, outlast, and outperform the competition. All right. So go to 1%wisdom.com and hire a coach today. If you and what we have discovered with our coaching sessions is that with most of our customers that it takes at least 5 coaching sessions for you to get all the results that you're looking for and for you to really get enough systems and solutions down that will help you with the current system, with the current level that you're at today, and to show you how to get to the growth of your next level, so that continuous sessions after that can help you on those levels and beyond. All right. The type of business that we are talking about today in our case study video here is an alcohol-infused food truck vendor. All right, very exciting stuff. It's something I never heard of before, but that also lets me know that if I haven't heard of it, then not too many other people have heard of it, and therefore it's something that's definitely worth venturing in, because as adults, to drink responsibly. Not only are we to drink responsibly, but in this case, we have to also consume and eat responsibly too, as well, with now having the opportunity to have infused alcohol in our favorite foods, but not just in a messy way where we're just tasting only the alcohol part of it, but we actually are getting a more luxury customized culinary experience for food truck prices. All right. And with this company here, they're based out of Chicago, and they had this idea where the owner had a brief stint as a corporate events coordinator. Actually, a couple that owns the company. What their purpose was for building the company was to infuse services that are commonly used in different events, like with event spaces and weddings and other celebratory type events, and to build a new experience with that experience of infusing two things together, like alcohol and food, from a very specific perspective as well. But in doing that, something that not many people have heard of before, and really dealing inside of an industry that really hasn't been carved out, to really show that if it can work or not. You definitely have a long hill to climb, especially with getting people to know your brand, like your brand, and trust your brand, let alone to also give in to what you're offering and to really like it as well. And today we're dealing with the pain point that they have of marketing and outreach with their business. So with that, they signed up for a 3-session package, and of course they're going to get a free session with that as well. So they're going to have 4 total sessions for us to really go through everything right now and to really get a grasp of how they can make their brands, how to make their brand really pop out and get them to a point where people not only know them, like them, and trust them, but they get excited thinking about them, and they get so excited that they're like chasing them instead of them chasing their customers. All right. So with the systems and solutions that we were able to present to this company here, we first wanted to go over the marketing basics. So we wanted to give them a system that pretty much outlined to them the unique selling point, what makes them unique, and as well as their social media presence. Then next, we wanted to go over a list building plan. So we wanted to create and show them several systems in which they can use to give away their best for free at the lowest price. And then from that, in exchange, they can build their list. Now, when they build their list of people, they want to be sure to get their birthday, their phone number, and their email address, because on their birthday you can give them a huge discount. You can give them buy one get one free. You can get them 50% off. You can give them free products. So with that, they can definitely benefit by staying in touch with you and also staying on your email list, especially to and around their birthdays. And with their phone numbers, you can send them campaigns where if they're in that local area of Chicago or surrounding boroughs, they can meet you here at this time. They can meet you there at that time, and let them know that you only have so much to offer at a specific time. You let them know there's a specific dish that's going to be available for the day. And then from that, you can really grasp and create and incite a lot of excitement for your customers to be running and be waiting lines up and down the road, waiting on you to serve them. So next, and even with the email marketing plan, they also can do that with the email side of things. They can also build an online store in which they also market with a particular meal prep company that's able to package their foods and keep all the moisture and the alcohol infusion into it, and where all they have to do is just heat it up at a certain temperature to keep everything going, or they have to mix the two together, or whatever the case, however you prepare the process, they can use that and create a new suite of products by offering it as a meal prep option as well, instead of just coming to them in a truck. And that way you not only are local, but you now can be regional and national in the same breath, and also have an online presence with that too. We also moved up in further sessions with their advanced marketing frameworks. All right. And with their marketing frameworks, we were able to go further into the creation and the innovation of the business, like different landmark flavors, right? Gamification challenges, Pop-up surprises via SMS. Like I said, just give them different surprises to look forward to. That maybe going to a certain event, maybe popping up at a park, or something like that, or at a particular, well, maybe not a business, because people don't want to, be a little tipsy while on the job, at least not knowingly. So maybe not at too many businesses, but they also have the opportunity to take this creation and they can partner up with complementary food vendors. Okay, they can come to a food vendor and let them know, hey, you have this signature, I don't know, quesadilla. We can probably infuse some type of alcohol-infused cheese to it to give it that spot, that kick to it that people taste in every bite, and we can make it a item on both of our food trucks that we can both make a killing off of and really expand on our reach to our customers. So just something simple like that, which that might even be an idea too. So kind of keep that in mind, where you can infuse that and just make it a celebratory process with people to engage in with this type of business that is being offered. So we have we also went over a few other things as well, beyond marketing, like advertising and online placements, and even in person, dealing with pop-ups and just getting in touch with events and things like that. Catering events as well. So we were able to help them create several other income streams as to expand on their business in a very short time, put them in position to hire other people, so that all they have to do is manage and oversee the operations, and in turn they can be in several places at once, where all they need to do is just show up, give a little assistance, give a little guidance, and then move on to the next event. And next thing you know, their business is now a full omnidirectional moving operation. Okay, so enough with the excitement of this business and this growth that they're going to have with 1% Wisdom as their coaching, as their coach in their corner. But we have reached the end of this video. I hope you have found very much a lot of value with it. And if you have, and you've gotten to the end of the video right here, do us a quick favor and help us be recognized to everybody else out there on social media. Take a few seconds of your time, smash that like button, comment below what type of business you have, your struggles, challenges. If you like this type of idea, if you heard about it before, and if so, tell us a little bit more about it. And also too, don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to 1% Wisdom Coaching and Consulting across all social media platforms as well as Google. All right, and like I said again and repeat, for your bonus offer, if you do sign up, let's speak this into existence, because that does not be the only time that we do connect. All right, guys, when you sign up for your 2-session package or more, you will get a free coaching session, absolutely free of charge, on behalf of 1% Wisdom Coaching and Consulting. All right. So with that being said, I am your success strategist, Nick Billions, again with 1% Wisdom Coaching and Consulting. And remember, you're one coaching session away from discovering your highest profit potential. I'll see you in the next one.